Where are we going?
To the dentist.
How are you feeling?
I'm a little nervous.
Alright, let's go, sweetie. Don't be nervous.
Okay. Take a deep breath. We're at the dentist office and we're waiting our turn. Yeah.
It looks like you're doing a good job if you're the one brushing. Almost done, okay? Just on one side and then we'll be done. That's ribbon. Let me get the top. Good. And open. How cool is that?
Cool.
Now I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom, okay?
Okay.
You're doing it's all going to tickle. Good job. I want you to give it a kiss. I know, they're all sparkly. And give it a kiss again. Good, and open it.
What?
Why is there a clock?
To check the time.
Well, okay. I just want to get off something. What is this?
You don't have to press anything. Elena, just put everything back. Sit here.
But I like it. I want it again.
Looks like you're having fun.
So I had a dentist appointment today, and I got so many. I got 3 toys. Let's see what I got first.
What's that?
Floss.
Floss.
And a dinosaur. But I guess. A toothpaste. Right. And something.
That's for the next appointment.
My next appointment. And this.
Okay.
See what else I got? Those were in the toys. And that dinosaur in the purple thing was a toy. This is a toy too.
And why did the dentist give you all the toys?
Because I did great.
So how was your experience overall? What did you do there? What happened to your teeth and everything?
Well, I got water and something scooped my tongue, and I tried to take it out, and I did. So it was so hilarious.
Really?
Yeah.
So you liked your appointment? And
Yeah.
It did not hurt?
Yeah.
So everyone should go to the dentist?
Yeah.
What is your message to everyone? All the kids?
My message is, let's go to the dentist every single time when you need. Brush your teeth in the night and day, and floss them 1 time each day.
And don't be scared of dentist, right?
Yeah, don't be scared of dentist.
Good. Give thumbs up.
Thumbs up.